Hey, forest friends. Beautiful morning for a walk, but I keep hearing the strangest sounds. There it is again. Sounds like someone saying hello. Oh, wow. Look at this beautiful parrot. What are you doing so far from home, little friend? Here you go, buddy. These are the sweetest berries in the forest.
Buddy. Hey, you can talk just like me.
Can you say Bigfoot? Bigfoot. Making you a little home here, friend. Stay as long as you like. Well, friends, looks like I've got a new forest buddy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe!